Alright guys, I'm going to show you real quick and easy how to pull a flywheel off a dirt bike or most any motor. This is a 2016 YZ250f bottom end. We're getting ready to split. Flywheel puller. Female threads onto the rotor. Then you push this in, it should pull it right off. So we're going to start by threading this on. You want to make sure this is as seated as you can get so you don't mess up the threads on the magneto. Then you can start threading in this part. Pulls it right off.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate all the help.
Yeah, thank you.
I shake your hand, but you know,
Yeah.
I don't want to take no time. I don't worry about that. I don't want to take any chances.
I understand. Me too. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Comes off that easy, and then you can put it in a vise and bring this off. Thanks for watching.